How to fix won't stop vibrating in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on notifications and then click on advanced settings, and then here you can see the option repeat notification alerts. Now click on it. If you turn on this button, then turn it off. After turn off this button, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on connections. Now click on NFC and contactless payment. Make sure you turn off this button. If you enter any card and you do any payment, then it will vibrate. Now turn off this button. After turn off this button, then go back and scroll down and click on general management. Now click on reset and then click on reset accessibility settings. After reset the accessibility settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and click on advanced features and then click on motions and gestures. Now here you can see the option alert when phone picked up. Make sure you turn off this button. If you turn on it, then turn it off. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.